Well, we got another package. Right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Forward Controls Design, also known as FCD. Feel free to check them out. Forward Controls Design, large variety of items. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Some paperwork. So there's the Cygnus logo, Forward Controls Design. Alright, so might as well go ahead and open this. So this should be the RBF reinforced buffer retainer that Forward Control Designs produces for AR systems, and this should be a flock of 5 RBFs with buffer retainer springs times 10. Show you one of these. Those familiar with the buffer retainer normally, you'll notice that the size of the retention pin area on the Forward Control Designs RBF is substantially larger and thus has less chance to suffer from shear damage and create possibly a critical failure. And also the material, I believe, might be a different grade as well. You can see a little bit of machined beveling there. So a flock of 5 of the RBFs and instructions on the back. We're going to continue with single stage NiB, so nickel boron trigger group. So see, these are the main components there. So you can see here, drop-in match grade, semi-auto single stage trigger, ER15 compatible, trigger pull weight 5.5 pounds. There's your spec, pins included, nickel PTFE coated trigger and hammer, made in USA. So I believe these might be in conjunction with Schmidt Manufacturing. So feel free to reference, again, current product offerings from Forward Control Designs. So you can see there your hammer does have the spring already on the extension portions. Likewise with the trigger, the spring is already on there as well, so you don't have to mess around with that. Pins are included, and here's your disconnect right there, so that's ready to be installed. So got 3 of those single stage nickel boron type of triggers. Next up, a little bit of merchandise. This should be in this bubble wrap here. A wood Cygnus with the FCD logo. So, see here, very smooth. Ooh, it is very smooth. Solid wood Cygnus logo, which is the Forward Controls Design logo, as you can see in all their branded packaging. I do believe these are those neodymium magnets. So this can go onto a metal surface. Wood Cygnus FCD logo. Continuing, it looks like we have a couple of patches here. These are the no screwdriver patch. So one has the red border, white background, and another one has the olive drab green border with the multicam background. So, get these out here. Better view. The lighting's not cooperating today. So, two versions of the patch design. No screwdriver, and this is in reference to no screwdrivers on twisting or trying to torque or untorque devices that don't have wrench flats or strange sized wrench flats. So, kind of a critique on maintenance process there. Looks like Roger threw in some extra stuff that I don't think are actually in the online catalogs. Thank you very much, Roger. Much appreciated. Here we have two stickers, one with the Forward Controls Design logo in a green with white logo there. Very nice. And here we have the Forward Control Designs duck, but kind of, if those who remember the video game Rampage, looks kind of like that kind of scenario. Doing a bit of a power emission right there on the right side. Very cool. And that is actually a magnet. And then looks like we got a Forward Controls Design pencil. Simplicity is the design of truth. I do believe that is from Leonardo da Vinci, because that is also quoted on the website as well. Very neat, a blue eraser pencil. So, working our way backwards, some extra merchandise. We have a pencil, we have a magnet, we have a sticker, and then the ordered items, two versions of the no screwdriver patch, the wood Cygnus logo. It's actually bigger than I expected, even though they put the accurate dimensions on the website. Seeing is believing. This is very nice. Three of the single stage trigger groups, and we started off with the flock of 5 of the RBFs with 10 of the buffer retainer springs. These all came from Forward Controls Design. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Forward Controls Design. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.